Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Orange Wire's Garage. We've got a special treat. We're here at Copart. We want to find us something to buy, something new. Live bidding starts soon. So let's pick something out and see if we can take something home. We're super excited. We picked up a 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. $16,500 was the high bid. There was a $10 environmental fee, $1,237.50 buyer fee, $149 virtual bid fee, $79 gate fee, which gave us a grand total of $17,975.50. We're super excited, so let's strap this truck down. Let's take it home and check it out. We got her home, still on the trailer. We thought something was missing and we just wanted to buy a third generation and a first generation for the channel. So this is the third generation that we picked up. She's a 2017, very nice truck. Most of that damage is concentrated in this area. You can kind of see that the rear end is back, possibly bent, spring is bent, maybe the hanger's bent a little bit, but we're gonna have to assess all that damage. One thing for sure, the drive shaft is laying on the ground, so we got to deal with that. Having a look down the passenger side here, that looks really good, looks really nice. It's gonna storm today, so we're probably gonna work really hard to try to just get it off the trailer. We've had a few requests to get another third gen on the channel and try to fix it up. The damage is just mostly concentrated right in this area, so hopefully it won't be too bad. We did pay a good bit for this truck. We always like to make a checklist, so we got to figure out how to unload it. So we need to remove the drive shaft, replace the tire. We need to chain up the axle, then we can drive it off the trailer, assess all the damage, remove the bed, order parts, repair the suspension, and give it a nice wash. But I think we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to see if we can just get this truck jacked up and maybe temporary the spring and get it off the trailer. So that's enough talking. It's gonna be storming, so let's get to work. And we were able to get that sucker off of there. We got it right down. We took a chain and we tied that up. We got the rear end just kind of sitting in there where we need it to be. And I'm pretty excited about this truck. Can't wait to get started on it. It's got just a little bit of damage, mostly suspension, got a lot going on underneath. We went ahead and got the tire off and we put another tire on. We got the drive shaft out. We got the truck temporaried up. So we're gonna go ahead and let the storm pass open, and then we're gonna get it in the shop and we're gonna maybe set the bed off so we can really look and see what's going on in there. Maybe it won't be too bad. We know it's gonna be a lot of fun. But let's let the storm pass and get back to work. So here we have our little 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road, and you can see that this spring got some pretty good damage here. So that was a pretty good lick. So what I had to do was chain it up and pull it back just to be able to drive it off the trailer. You can see this damage here, just the bottom door and the bottom cab corner and the rocker, just not a bunch of damage at all on the cab. It's all suspension damage. Could have possibly been a rear axle housing. That is a definite possibility. You never really know with these things. For sure, this guy loved his truck and he loved his guns. No doubt, nothing wrong with that. Power to, man. Super excited about the inside of this truck because it's super clean. Just only has a little bit of dirt in the floorboard where people got in and out of it at Copart. Just absolutely immaculate on the inside. Super excited we're not gonna have to spend 2 days cleaning that up. It busted a tire. The rim, I think, will still hold air. It just got a little bit of road rash. Also ripped the drive shaft out. So yeah, so gonna try to put the drive shaft back together. It's just a slip yoke on some splines. It shouldn't be that big a deal. So as you can see, we went ahead and took the bed off because we needed to get to these suspension components. So what I think I'll do really quick is, you can see that this spring hanger is bent just a little bit. So don't have a new spring yet, got one ordered. So why don't we go ahead and hook up the porta-pier and see if we can pull this thing forward a little bit and make it look a little better. Alrighty guys, we spent a whole lot of time, a good part of the day, just working on this frame rail here, getting everything 100% straight. The spring's still bent, but the hanger and the frame is 100%. Think maybe the rear end housing is okay also, which is a huge win for us. We're just super happy that we bought this truck. I know it's not a Ram TRX, but it is a 3rd generation Toyota Tacoma. We hadn't had one of these in a great long while. We're super excited to have it. We love the color. I think we just ran out of time for this video, guys. If you like this video and you like trucks like this, drop us a like. We'd really appreciate it. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you think about this truck. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always post there before YouTube. A special thanks to all the subscribers. We'll catch you guys next time. We're out.
All right guys, so you just seen this backpack. So this is a computer backpack from Torch Off-Road. Really nice, can take it anywhere, super durable. Comes with 2 patches you can have. We put our MacBook Air in there, keeps it completely safe. You can pick yours up, we'll put a link in the description below, and you can save 10% by using the code OrangeWires. So check it out.